Morning, Fishing Too Real here. Heading out today, going to Rebecca Creek. We'll be fishing Rebecca Creek, the usual Rebecca Creek fishing as we do. Going for bass, crappie. I don't think the white bass are running anymore, so really what we're going to be going for is bass, crappie, and catfish if they're around. We'll be having the boat today. Hopefully we can get out and get some bait and everything at the Canyon Bait House, and then we'll go ahead and get fishing. So stay tuned. All right, so we've made it. Oh, there's a deer. I don't know if y'all can see that right across the road. We pulled up to the Canyon Bait House. So we usually get our usual 12 and 12 big minnows, 12 small minnows, and then also buy some worms. So we'll be doing that here shortly. Once again, Canyon Bait House has all you need when you come fishing in Canyon Lake or any other area, so for that matter. So make sure that you come check them out if you're ever in town and around the San Antonio area. Come check them out. All right, we are almost here. I've been seeing a lot of deer. I don't know if y'all can see them over there. These two right here. Oh, 34. A few of them right there. But I've seen a lot of deer hanging out on the road on the way here. So it was cool. It's nice to see. But we are almost here, driving down the road. You can see the little water portion of the Rebecca Creek there that comes toward the back here. Alright, so it's just the boat ramp right here, and we do have the boat today, the inflatable boat, so we'll be doing that, and that's Rebecca Creek straight ahead. But we're gonna go ahead and get the boat out and everything. And also I need to let y'all know what we got. Well, show what minnows we got. Hopefully most of the water's in here. This one we got 12 and 12. 12 big minnows, 12 medium-sized minnows. Got some worms, and I needed some more split shots, so I got those. stop on the way. So we can see a spot that we like. Start fishing. You stop there. Check it out for a bit.
You wanna go closer or kind of in the middle?
We can hit the middle of it, so we can throw to it. First bait out, gonna be a minnow.
You got a minnow on it?
Yes, sir.
No weight?
No, wait. See what happens.
Alright. That minnow's gonna get us good.
I hope so. There we go. We'll take it. First fish of the day.
Fish of the day.
We swallowed this thing. Toss it right under this tree. Let it do what it wants to. Yeah. But I was off the worm.
That was off the worm?
Yeah.
Right spot. I said, hold up now, hold up. So we're moving. All the bags.
Too short.
Too short. Can't get that release.
Hey, but oh, yeah. Yeah, boy.
Ooh.
Yes.
Put it on the board.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
You own it, man. You got that,
You need the pliers?
yeah, let's look at this one.
Back in the truck. Other half of Fishing 2 Reel leaving right there. And we heading home. So, hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, comment on the things you like and you didn't like. But as always, keep fishing real.